What I would say to patients out there who are looking for a new dentist, looking for a dental home long term, is that North Oaks Dental, myself and my team that we have here, is the right place for you. But we're the experts when it comes to people and getting to know what's most important to them and what is the right solution for them. We have a family-oriented staff here. The doctors here are family-oriented. Everybody cares about each other, and that reflects to the care to the patients.
There's a lot of people out there that are self-conscious about their smile, or sometimes they don't even like to smile because they don't like the way that their teeth look. Being able to improve their smile and allow them to not be self-conscious about it anymore and be able to smile and be more confident in their everyday life and have an overall better quality of life is something that's really rewarding to me. And getting the gratitude from those patients is something that's really not describable.
One of the biggest things that I love about dentistry is the patients. The patients are really why I do what I do. Being able to have a patient come in and they are fearful or have a lot of anxiety, and being able to alleviate them out of that fear and out of that anxiety and get them out of pain is one of the biggest reasons why I do what I do. Seeing that patient be able to smile and being able to transform their smiles, which can in turn transform their lives. Being able to be a part of that is really why I do what I do.
I've seen people sit in my chair that wouldn't look at me. When I ask them to smile, they wouldn't smile. They either tell me they've never smiled or they're embarrassed to smile. And then after we're done with the work, they come in completely different people.
I was missing a couple of teeth in the back of my mouth, and I'm a fun person and I like to laugh. So when I sat in her chair, when she said, okay, when we're gonna do this, I knew it was time to do it. She explained how if I got a partial, how that would come out. I would be uncomfortable putting it in, taking it out. Implants they last longer. I went with implants other than being hassled with a partial. I feel good. I feel whole again. I have teeth in my mouth.
I wasn't a big fan of dentists. I've had a lot of bad experience in my past, and I was starting to become more customer facing with my current employer and even my previous employer, to where I wanted to have a better smile, and that was the one thing that I was lacking of, is I never could have it. North Oaks kind of changed that for me completely, because they took the portion that I saw every single day in the mirror that was chipping away, that was falling apart, and kind of made it brand new and kind of re-imaged myself into a more competent individual, which is great to have, especially when you're dealing with, clients.
I was always like looking at other people and be like, oh boy, I wish I could get teeth like that. So it was always like a goal. I had a tooth that was like broken, and it was in the front, and it was in temporarily, and I just kept wondering, one day this tooth is gonna come out, and when it does, I'm gonna be in trouble. That was the worst part before I got the implant. Oh, I'm just smiling all the time. All the time, I'm just smiling. And I feel so good because I can't believe I got them.
I think the practice at North Oaks Dental acknowledges the fact that patients have anxiety coming to the dentist, and I think acknowledging that makes them better staff providers, especially Dr. Zena. They're better equipped at understanding each patient. They know it's not easy, but like I said, having the conversations, getting to know each patient, they really make you feel like you're welcome.
I had taken really good care of my teeth, so I had thought. And I found out that the bridges that I had and the crowns that I had, they failed. I had to seek an alternative immediately. So that's why I decided to get implants. The best part about having dental implants is that I can smile with confidence. I don't have to worry about what food I'll eat, and I just love the way it makes me look. My wife was just elated, and family also. They really gave me a lot of compliments about my smile, and that it looked natural, which is very important to me, just having a natural look and feel.
I love that when I come in here, they treat you like family. Everyone is so sweet to you. Everyone comes up to me and asks me how my day is, and they know my name. It just makes me feel good because not everybody likes coming to the dentist, so they make it very at ease when you walk in here, and I really would recommend this place to everybody.